We'll guide you through how to cancel a power-up in Trello. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to manage or remove unused features in Trello. To begin this tutorial, open your browser on your computer. Then go to Trello.com by typing the website address into the address bar and pressing Enter on your keyboard. Once the website loads completely, click Login to access your account and continue with the process in the correct environment. After that, click on the email field and type your email address correctly so you can proceed to the next step without errors or login issues. Then click Continue to move forward in the login process and load the password page properly. Enter your password in the provided field, making sure it is correct and matches your account credentials exactly, and click Login to access your account successfully without any problems. After you're logged in, open the board you want to use so you can manage your tasks and settings in the correct workspace and ensure that you are working on the intended project. Next, click the Power-Ups icon on the board menu to open the list of installed and available power-ups for your board so you can view all active integrations clearly. In this menu, you can choose the power-up you want to cancel by locating it in the list of active power-ups and reviewing each option carefully. Once you find the power-up, click Settings on the power-up you want to cancel to open its configuration options and access more controls related to that feature. From the available options, select Disable to begin the process of turning off the power-up so it will no longer be active on your board. Click Disable Power-Up to confirm and proceed with removing the power-up from your board completely. Once the process is complete, the power-up will be disabled and no longer active on your board, meaning it will not affect your workflow anymore. To make sure everything has been applied correctly, click the Power-Ups icon on the board menu again to check the current list of active power-ups and verify the changes. Now you can see that the power-up has been successfully canceled and no longer appears on the board, confirming that the process has been completed successfully.